Good morning. First one of the day is this stunning Bonneville 900. This is a new client. Wanted to give it a little bit of a spruce up before the spring. She's in very good shape, I must say. Just he was a bit concerned about a few of these spokes, need a little bit of attention. Got the center stand, needs a bit of paint on it. We're clean all behind the swing arm there. We're going to lightly polish those side covers. Like I said, it's very good shape. Probably one of the best I've seen in a long time, but a little bit of a spruce up, little Trott TLC, get a bit of protection on it as well, get it ready for the spring ahead. Go. This stunning Triumph Bonneville has now been fully trotted. This is another client taking advantage of our £25 off our full Monty Valets for the month of March. This has had everything polished once, twice, hand polished all the tank. Side covers, his engine covers were looking a little dull, so those have a nice freshen up. Every single bit of chrome, even the back of these footrests have all been mirror polished up. All the spokes have been attended to, all the chains been re-lubed back up. This is a stunning example. Absolutely stunning. I said the covers have been polished. I use a waterproof, they leave a waterproof protective coating on once they've all polished up. We use the white diamond metal polish, fantastic stuff. I have misted all the motor with a little XCP corrosion protection just to keep it looking its finest for the year to come. I didn't put any on these spokes as it's summertime. Don't want any greasy bits on there, but I've polished most every one of those spokes. Like I said, that white diamond does leave a protective coating, so they should be nice and protected for the summer ahead. All done. Get yours booked in now. I got £25 off a full Monty Valet, £50 off a full works valet for the month of March. Get booked in now. 07966 249 963.